Hi, my name is Victoria, and this tutorial is designed to help you help yourself. So I'm going to show you how to track orders, track production progress, use the Help Center, find the Queensberry contact page, and also your Queensberry account information. So once you have logged into Workspace, you'll see on the right hand side here a blue button that says My Queensberry Account. So click on that. Once you've placed an order with us, you can find information about this order in the Outstanding Orders tab. It's a good idea to know the reference number of the order, especially if you have a large volume of orders. You can type the reference number into here and click Find. If you do have outstanding orders, your screen will look a little bit like this with a list of orders here. To find out more information about each order, you can click on the blue link under Type, and this will show information about that order. Once an order has been completed or charged off, you will find it in the Charged Transactions tab. To find tracking information about each order, click on the blue link under Type, and a screen like this will appear. Next to the airway bill is your tracking number. Please allow 1 to 2 days for the tracking number to appear here, as the number appears once the package has been picked up and scanned by the courier. You can also see other information about this particular transaction on this page as well. If you need help understanding information on this screen, you can click the blue link here that says Help Understanding this screen. From this area, you can also access your account details by clicking on the Account Details tab. If you are looking for information about Queensberry's products, services, and Workspace, click on Support in the main navigation, and then click Help Center. Here you can find instant answers to any questions you might have. You can use the search bar to type in questions or keywords to find articles. In this section, you can go to your Queensberry account, which we were just looking at before. If you sell in Workspace, you can go to the sales tracker, and also some quick links to key articles and frequently asked questions. In this section, you can explore the in-depth articles in our Help Center relating to Queensberry, Workspace, and Photo Junction. And along the top here, you can also go to these sections as well. So Queensberry, Workspace, and Photo Junction related articles. So on the Help Center homepage is where the search bar is. If you type in a question, an article will appear relating to that question. So if you click on that article, you will be taken to the page, and you can also use these section links here to be quickly taken to the information. If you still can't find the answers that you're looking for, you can go to Contact and see all the different ways that you can contact us. If you're in your Workspace account, you can also go to Support, Contact Support, and the same page will come up here. The best way to contact us is via our general inquiries email. If you do need to speak with someone on the phone, you can call one of our phone numbers detailed below. If our lines are busy and you can't get through to someone, please leave a detailed message including your account number, the reason for your call, and your order number if you have one. I hope that helps you find the information that you're looking for. If you have any questions, send us an email at info@queensberry.com.